Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. It's Sunday, making a training coaching video for everybody. One of the things I think is really important is a lot of people give ideas, and that's wonderful. I think it's important to explain the foundations of the idea. Then you can transfer that knowledge to your setups. It will empower you. And it sounds maybe corny and cliche, but it's a fact. I used to teach on the university level. Here's a fact for you. To know that 2 plus 2 equal 4 is fine. But to know why 2 plus 2 equal 4 is knowledge that is transferable to other situations. My goal is to show you why. And how do you do it? By studying past great winners and connecting the dots. So let's do it. Here we go. We're looking at Beyond. This is going back. This date here is May 13th. A lot of people look at charts after the fact. A perceptual bias enters into the situation. Let's not do that. Let's look at the chart before it breaks out. Here's Beyond right here, May 13th. It's bouncing off the moving averages. It has a higher low. This low is higher than this low. And we'll get to the numbers in a minute. But take a look at this. Now watch this. You advance it one day. There was a buy spot right here, taking out the highs of this bar. Volume confirmed it. We bought some right here. Advance it another day. It takes out the high of these bars. You buy more. So now you have a position. This is a new issue breakout. Great numbers. And pulls back, bases, and then starts to march. And could you sell a little bit into this strength or sell some to prevent a major loss? Yes, you could. Starts to turn back up. Could you buy it back? Yes, you could. No day trades, no 5-minute charts, no 10-minute. Let it work. And what do you get? You get this. And that's a nice move. From right here at $76 a share up to 200, 76 to 200. Now that's a lie to say you're going to sell it at the top. But hey, 76 to 160 is good. You're 90 points. There you go. That's what we're looking for. Point number one. Point number two, right here, IIPR. Nice long shelf, clean and simple tops. It's got great numbers. You could say, boy, if we take out this downward sloping trend line, yeah, that could be bought. It does it, and it does it on volume. We buy right here. It starts to go up. Everything's fine. Maneuvers around, walks up the 8-day. And what do you get? You get this. From right there, we'll say 91 bucks. 91 up to 130, 91 up to 120. That's 40 points, folks. There we go. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're after. Okay, 30, excuse me. That's what we're after. Let's do another one. KL, leading group. Nice base. Look, you just see this. And it's got great numbers. I'm going to show you the numbers in a minute. You can say, gosh, if it goes across these tops with good volume, maybe we should buy some. And it does. It gaps up, pulls back a bit, and runs. Look at the volume. They voted. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. They voted. And you get this. Is that nice? This is good stuff. There you go. I can live with that. Look at that. That's sweet potato pie. You're in. You're fine. Plan. Entry right here. Gaps up. Look at the volume. Wiggles around. Makes a march. Clean and simple. Roku. Buys. Going across the tops. Right here. Right here. Marches on up. Let's suppose you bought the stock for $74. $75 a share. 75 runs up to 105. Okay, you're going to be a liar to sell at 105, okay? But hey, 75 on up to 90, 99 to 100, that ain't too bad, is it? Are we still in this? Yeah. Why? It's still above the moving averages. Did we sell some into strength? Yes, we did. So now we're looking at, I'm going to take it a step further for you. We're going to go in and we're going to go to MarketSmith now, and we're going to take a look at these so that you can see. I'm going to size this for you so that we got the same size window right here. Here it is, right there. And what we're going to do, we're going to try to, we're not going to be able to do it that way. Here we go. We'll size it down just a hair, and we're going to look at the same stocks. Check this out. We build a case. Here's Beyond, BYND. Folks, Look at the numbers. Look at what you're looking at right here. I'm going to raise this up just a bit for you, okay? So you can see this. There you go. There's the numbers. You're in the same size window. Look at this. We want numbers that are either 40% earnings for the last quarter or average sales of 45%. This meets the cut, number one. Number two, IIPR. And again, these are the numbers we want. Look at the numbers. Minimum numbers, 40, 45, meets the cut. All of these stocks were on, you can see where we bought it. There's the chart. All of these stocks were on the key list before they broke out. Members bought these. Look at the volume. Hang on, I'll drag this out of here. Look at this. Look at the volume pickup. That's sweet potato pie. It's what you're looking for. Here's another one for you. Plan, P-L-A-N. Boom, right here. Lifting through 40. Look at the volume pickup. Off to the races. Here's another one for you. Roku. And again, you want either great earnings and or great sales. This is Bill O'Neill research, folks, right here. Look at this. Minimum sales growth. Buy-in right here. Off to the races. What we do is we constantly teach and coach what to look for. We make a key list every night and a video explaining each chart, the nuances, and we give buy points and sell points to the dime, not to the penny, okay, they didn't even get in that. But that's what we look for. Leading stocks, leading groups. That's what we're after. I wanted to share this with you. My goal, by the way, I'm going to show this to you too. Hold on a second. Watch this. We'll slide this into the window. Look at that. 87. These are from 40 great stock market winners. 87% of these super stocks had earnings of 30% or higher. 71% had earnings of 50% or higher. Look at that. Take the average. Basically, about 80% of these stocks had earnings of 40% or higher before they went out. Go down here. 86% had sales up 30% or higher. 63% had sales up 50% or higher. What's 86 and 63? What's the average of the two? Well, without using my fancy decoder ring, I'm just going to say 70%. 70% of these stocks, folks, 70% plus of these stocks had earnings up, sales up on average 45% or higher for 2 quarters. For 2 quarters. That's our research. That's what we do. That's what we teach. And that's how we use our screens to find stocks like I just showed you. It's what we do for people. And it's not just giving ideas. It's chart explanations in video. Just to help. So I'd love to work for you. This is what we do.